What if you could unlock your true creative potential? What if you could truly connect with your inner artist in a supportive and nurturing environment? Welcome to an unparalleled opportunity to embark on a transformative journey with Kelly Morgan, a true guide in the world of creativity.
It took me many years of teaching the Artist's Way to realize what the book is really about. It's really about the thing that artists experience, which is the muse, God, force. And when we allow ourselves to be in that, synchronicities can happen.
Kelly has this really unique way of managing the group where you can sit there and feel like you're working individually with her when you actually aren't. You're in a group. There is a way of working through some of the exercises where you're getting so in touch with yourself that it feels like she directed you there, directed you to, you know how they say about leading the horse to the water. She kind of takes you to the water, you drink, and you're like, oh my gosh, I need more of that. And Kelly is the one who's facilitating it. So she made the Artist's Way book come alive in real life.
Countless creatives have stepped into this journey with Kelly, discovering the joy, freedom, and healing that comes from embracing their artistic selves. They've faced fears, let go of self-doubt, and ignited their passions. Every Monday, starting October 14th, 2024, you can join Kelly's online and interactive Zoom Artist's Way workshop. This isn't just a course, it's an experience. An opportunity to dive deep into your creative process alongside a community of like-minded individuals who are ready to support you every step of the way. In this workshop, we'll explore the principles of the Artist's Way, tapping into your intuition, overcoming blocks, and expressing your truth. Each session is designed to inspire and empower you to create without limits. Kelly's workshop isn't just about learning, it's about the personal guidance of a professional who knows how to evoke your creativity.
Julia gave me a quote that says you couldn't find a more sure-footed or inspiring guide than Kelly. I remember looking out at this room full of 50 people and seeing all these adults' faces, and then it's like you know how in a film it morphs into a different face, and all their faces became children's faces, like what they had been when they were young. And in that moment, I knew that what they would get from me over that quarter was the ability to recover what they had lost by growing up.
Freedom. We're free to be who we are in that moment. As adults, we suppress ourselves.